Hi, this is Dclutter, and we're going to make this 12-inch Sawtooth star today, and I'm going to show you how. This is a traditional 12-inch Sawtooth star block, and we're going to make it with this fabric for the background and these for the star points, this for the center. So for this block, we need one B piece, 4 C pieces, 1 D piece, and 4 A pieces. And it's all in the instructions. And you can find these instructions in the description, with a link in the description for free. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make 4 at a time flying geese. And we're going to go ahead and put a square right here and a square right here. Just like that. And here's the diagram for that. Okay, we're going to draw a line from corner to corner diagonally, and I'm just going to use this Fons and Porter Omni Grid ruler. It has a 1/4 inch on each side of the line, so I don't need to draw the line in the middle, but you can do that. Then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to stitch on each one of these marks. Okay, I have it stitched on both sides, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it down the middle. And then we have this weird looking thing that's going to look like this in the pattern. And then we're going to go ahead and press that. Okay, now we have 2 of these, and we're going to go ahead and put our squares, our remaining squares, in the corner. One right here, one right here. Draw a line. Okay, I've sewn on each side, and now I'm going to cut it in half, just like we did before. And then we're going to press these open. Okay, I have my flying geese done, and I just need to trim them up. They're a little bit big, so I'm going to use my wing clipper. Okay, on the wing clipper, you just need to line up this little V and have it straight over here, and then you're going to trim. And then we're going to go ahead and trim the rest. Okay, we have all our pieces trimmed, and we're going to go ahead and assemble the block. So we want to lay it out, the centerpiece. This guy goes up here. And these each go on the sides. All right, and then we want to sew each row together. Once you have the rows sewed together, then you're going to press this block to the inside, press to the inside, and then press these blocks to the outside. Once you have your blocks pressed, and you're going to sew this together, and you're going to nest these seams. So one seam is going in one direction and the other seam is going in the other direction, and you want them to nest together. And here's the finished block.